I work for Human Appeal International, and people often ask me, if I donate to Human Appeal, how do I know that my money will actually reach the people who need it? Well, here's my answer. What I want you to know is at Human Appeal, we have 2 offices in Palestine. One in the West Bank and the other is inside Gaza. So when Gaza is attacked, our staff are attacked. When parents flee to shelters with their kids, our staff are with them protecting their own children. When you hear on the news that people are injured and hospitals are over capacity, our staff are in those hospitals visiting their own family and friends. And the next day, our staff are at work for Human Appeal, distributing your aid and your funds to those who need it most. Schools, hospitals, parents, families, and the children. So you see, at Human Appeal, we don't just send money to Gaza. We are Gaza. Human Appeal is working to rebuild Gaza. Make a difference now.